Hello everyone, welcome back to Take It Simple. In today's tutorial episode, I'll be helping you learn how to change your Spotify account's password. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Start by clicking open any web browser, and once you're in, go to the URL box, and type in www and press the enter on your keyboard. Sign into your account if necessary. If you're already signed in, from your upper right corner, click on the profile button, click on account from the left-hand menu. Click on change password. You'll need to enter your current password, your new password, and repeat the new password one more time. To set a new password for your Spotify account, start by entering the current password. If you want to double-check your password, click on this eye icon, which will help you reveal your password. Before moving on, now, in the next text field, type in a new password you want to change to. After you're done, repeat the new pathway one more time. While creating a password, make sure your password is strong and try not to make your password too obvious and too easy to guess. After you're done, click on the Set New Password and your password has been updated. Next time you log into your account, remember that you recently changed your password. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or feedback. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.